Good afternoon, traders. I'm looking at Netflix right now. I showed you guys last night that we were watching the 50-day moving average very closely to put on a short if we broke below it, but that didn't happen. They were up in pre-market and then they ran it up today, and now we're trading at 185.34 right now, and I'm currently long 190 calls of this. I'm going to show you my psychology when choosing to get long this position. Alright, so we held above the 50, and on top of that we have 177.38 as a critical support level. When we tested that, we bounced off it numerous times, and then when we started going up, we put in this higher low, which also confirmed the uptrend. After that, we broke above the 182.73. That's where I bought my calls, and we also broke above the 50 period average on the 1 hour time frame. That indicates a bullish sentiment. The next level we're going to be looking for to approach is this downtrend, and we really need to take this out in order for us to get going. If we do fall back and test this 182.73, which is the teal line, the cyan color line right here, what we're going to look for is to come down and break out and then continue up to 189.90. My target is actually 191 for Netflix. I only have 5 contracts right now, but if this does happen and we pull back, the 50 will then turn up and the sentiment trend will then turn bullish, because not only did we put in a higher low, but we also put in a higher high. This high was higher than this high. So right now I'm short-term bullish on Netflix. The PPS indicator gave us a buy today, but that alone can't make us get bullish. You see this long volume bar right here? Well, that indicates a lot of short covering. So a lot of people that were not only taking profits at the top, but waiting to re-enter their short positions, who were hoping the 50 would break down where they could cash in and make a bigger profit and cover their shorts. That didn't happen. So a lot of the up move today is short covering, and we also have an ascending 5-day weighted moving average. Here's the 20. We really need to get over the 20-day moving average. And what I'm thinking is if we do get over the 20 and poke our head, we could hit that 191 level, which there's a good chance shorts might re-enter, just like they have the previous 2 times that we tested it. And that could also lead to another down move and a break of the 50 and ultimately lead to the 150 area. Here is the calls that I am long. The January 11 190 call. Like I explained to you guys, unless I'm buying out of the money calls or puts, I'm usually trading front month contracts. This 421, my levels are superior even on options, because options even do trade off levels. It sounds pretty crazy, but after years of research you'll determine the same thing. So these options are actually pretty active. They're testing the 50, they're consolidating a little bit right here, and I'm going to have to go to an intraday time frame to show you where I got long. Alright, I bought my 5 contracts right here as soon as we held over the 50 and the resistance level, that cyan color line that I showed you. So my order was filled at 680, and as you see from there we ran all the way up to 8 and before pulling back to 750. So currently right now I sold for 1.3 of the contracts, and I'm still holding 2. And the 2 contracts, my stop's going to be at break even 680, and my target is going to be all the way up here. I say if we could get to 191, there's a good chance these calls will get up to the 950 level. So lock in a quick $300 profit on that up move, and we're going to hold on to the rest for gain. So that's the play on Netflix. I'm going to keep you guys posted with how I play the rest of this position, and good luck trading.